Hey, what's up? It's Max, Eddy, Robby Cockrell out here. We're ECR Motorsports. We're in Laughlin, Nevada for the SNORE Rage at the River here in 2014. We got some rain, we got badass course conditions, and hopefully we're gonna go out there and get the truck through the day, and I'm gonna give it to my partner Robby for tomorrow and let him do what he's got to do tomorrow.
Easy ride tomorrow, hopefully, for the win. See what happens. See if she holds together. Made some good improvements to the truck, so feeling pretty good about it.
I think for this year, 2014, at the draw there was 40 trucks, 1,400 trucks in our class, and we're starting 22nd. You know, there's gonna definitely be some carnage on the track. I think we'll just play it safe and pick our way through, and hopefully get towards the front of the field for our start tomorrow. Well, Doug, this is no good right here. That'll end your race. Broken third member. But we're going, Robby and BJ and the guys are over there going back in with a new one, and hopefully get our Mansfield grading ECR Motorsports truck back on the track for tomorrow.
What I'm going to do is pick this thing up giant heavy.
1605 main pit, got a copy. Yeah, you know everything about it. That's who I was going to help you today. Okay, sounds good.
We got a lot of people helping us out this year. We're always looking for more help, but I'd like to say thanks to first our friends and our family, BJ Fuzzy, Johnny, everyone that helps us out at the shop prepping the truck. Of course, KMC Wheels has been helping us out for a while. We got a new sponsor on board, RTT Firearms.
Just big companies that keep us racing. Baja Designs, a couple local construction companies, JDR and Helmer Construction. Just all the guys that make it possible. Jay Mansfield, he comes in, always helps us get entry fees and get everything dialed in on the financial side. So thanks to him. And